Okay, so back at it again. But this time I am refilling my bottles because it's running low. So I'm refilling the bottles. I don't know how the heck I'm gonna get this good angle because with this camera, it's not really helping for me to be able to show you all up and close in person how I fill these. Even though you just open the lever, the oil goes in, boom, you got your oil in a bottle. And I did these already. So yeah. Fill it up, take it out, boom. Okay. I'm gonna figure this out. Hold on. Put my tripod right here. I'm done with that part for now. But so far I filled up. I lost count. Hold on. Let me just show y'all. That's 3. And then them over there, even with the top. Because they don't have labels. I just filled those too. So yeah. I swear, you know what I'm getting ready to do is, because when I do this, I want it to still like reflect, the light to reflect. So I'm gonna probably just end up putting some white contact paper on top of here, and that'll also help with the oil. Like that one bottle that's filled, it'll also help with this because I don't like to see the oil stains, and then with contact paper I can just whoop wipe it up and you won't even be able to tell. So yeah. So are you afraid of the dark? That's what this light down here is giving. Are you afraid of the dark? And now for the fun part, to cut all these tops. I swear, I'm just gonna one piece and a half. Let's cut all these tops. All of these are just straight tops. The things I do for love, because I really love these products. I love my oil so bad. Honestly, if God never would have told me, all right, it's time to get that product, it's time to, my people are suffering. Why am I trying to think about what it was that was said that made me want to go and push it out there to everyone? Well, not push it out there, but I mean push it out there, because put it out there. But anyways, I'm getting off track here. And I'm you know, some people's like, well, if God told you to put it out there, you might as well, you know, you should be giving it out for free. Okay, I have been giving some out for free. However, I have to pay for oils, all because it's 11 different oils that come in there, bottles. It's the shipping, oils, then it's the labeling, the packaging, the mailing it to you. I offer enough discounts, oils, stuff. I can't. And I honestly feel like the prices that I am pricing it for, I'm lowballing myself. But it also goes to show, like, I know I'm not pricing it the way that it should be, because I'm not trying to be all greedy and stuff. But now it's time to put tops on them. Gotta cut it to size. Oh, come and look. So if you're not sure, what I do is I measure from the top to right here, and then I cut at an angle.
Button lights glow. I'm riding to the 24th floor. Shoes tap tempo, humming like I've heard this song before. Strangers stare at their phones. I'm dancing in my head. Air feels gold. I'm already one step ahead. Why wait for the weekend? Why wait for a sign? If the door's wide open, I'm jumping out inside. It's a skyline elevator bounce, going up, up, up right now. Every little second counts, so I'm gonna spin, not slow down. From the lobby to the clouds, I'm a spark in the crowded crowd.
Y'all wonder where I'm pulling from. I'm pulling from right here.
Bouncing, I'm never coming down. Oh, oh, floor dings, door slide. You step in with paint on your hands. You lost, you smile. I'm just making wild new plans. You draw stars on your sleeve. Say I've got a show upstairs. We laugh, we breathe like we're lighter than the air. Why wait for a Sunday? lift up. We glow in the small talk. Turn this tiny box to a rooftop. It's a skyline elevator bounce. Going up, up, up right now. Every little second counts, so I'm gonna spin, not slow down. From the lobby to the clock.
Yeah, we gonna call this a night for recording. But well, you know what? What the hey? It is the behind the scenes, right? But
Like I've heard this